Hey Rigo, this is Larry Powell, Circle P Marketing. We had talked on the phone on Friday, and I'm sorry for the delay in getting this video over to you. It's kind of been a crazy weekend. But I just wanted to go through and kind of show you the process of what we look like and what we look at, and how we go about getting a website ranked and generating leads for customers. So when I had originally talked to you, it was just about producing leads for your business and doing those percentage deals. And another option you do have is getting a website built out for your business and generating those leads that way, to where you're not paying for those per lead deals. It would be more of a flat monthly fee, but all those leads come into you directly, and it's all through your website organically. And that is definitely another option you have for your business, but this just kind of outlines what our process is and what you're looking for. So first off, you guys don't have a website up for your business, at least not one that I saw. So I just wanted to show you a quick example of a website that we just recently wrapped up, and kind of what the key features on this are that you really want to keep in mind from the time does come that you are ready for a website for your business. You are selling very high dollar, high ticket, remodel jobs for both residential and commercial. So to have that website up for your business would kind of make you guys look a little bit more legit, and kind of help with, putting customers at ease. No different than you wanted to make sure I was legit. These customers want to make sure you're legit as well, before they want to spend a bunch of money with you. So this is, again, a website that is just recently finished up. And looking at this, there's a couple things you want to look at when the time does come for that website. So first off, click to call buttons for your phone number are going to be very important. People are doing mobile search very often these days. So to have those click to call buttons will really help with your guys' conversions as people are coming to your website. The next thing is a contact form up here on the top of the page. Again, this is going to be huge for your business because people are looking for that company that is the easiest and fastest to get a hold of, that can get out there and give them a quote. So having that contact form on there is very important. Next is content. So Google looks at over 200 different ranking factors when determining which website's going to be in that top spot, and we'll kind of show you in a minute here why you want to be in that top spot. But Google looks at over 200 different ranking factors, and one of the biggest ones that we can influence is the amount of content we have on a website. So for you guys, you really want to strive to hit at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on this homepage. And with that content, you also want to make sure you have the correct search terms in there. So when people are making these searches, you guys will be, that first person that pops up, and Google will know to pull you guys up because you're going to have these search terms in that content. So just a little bit of research I did for keywords. Kitchen remodeling, Chicagoland. It kind of stumped me too, but it's getting 300 searches per month. Chicago bathroom remodeling is getting 250. So I know these aren't like a whole house remodel, so it's not going to be as big of ticket, but there's a lot of search volume here. So being in the top spot for these search terms, you can count on getting about 33% of that search volume headed towards your website. And that's 550 searches between these two. If these were the only two search terms you focused on, 550 searches, you'd be looking at 33% of that. So you're looking at, a little under 200 searches per month that would be headed to your website looking for your services. So there's definitely a lot of potential there in just this short amount of time that I was able to find. So what we do here is we look at Google search. Everybody knows how to use Google, but I'd like to give you just a quick rundown of what we're looking at here. This is kitchen remodeling Chicagoland, so it was kind of a little bit of a different search term, but there is, again, a lot of search volume behind that. So as we're going through the search results, these are all paid ads. So this is people paying Google to have their business right here at the top. This is definitely great for generating those search terms, or those searches and clicks, and new clients in a very short amount of time. But you're going to have a much higher return on investment by organically ranking your site here, and you'll see a little better on the other search term we're going to show. But organically ranking your site or doing a lead gen, you're going to have a lot better return on investment, just because those are those things that continue to go on for forever. You're building that back end of your business, to whereas it's generating leads, those don't stop. You're not paying for empty clicks, or people could be clicking on your business but not actually really wanting to hire you for their services. So organically ranking your site. So Chicago Renovation, or Chicago Kitchen Remodeling Company, they're the top ranked site, and they're actually the top ranked for Chicago bathroom remodeling as well. And this search box, or this search term, does look a little bit different just because there's a Google Maps here as well. The Chicagoland, I think, was kind of throwing off Google a little bit. But this kind of shows you a little bit more of what we would target. So there's actually a lot of potential for your business here as well in this maps pack. This is the first thing people are seeing when they're pulling up Google search, and having your business in here is very valuable because not only does it give you the ability to have your website ranked here in the top spot, but it also gives you another piece of real estate and another place people can click on your business by having it here as well. So there's a couple different ranking factors, or a couple different factors for how you get your business into this. And the first one is what's known as citations. And citations is your business name, address, and phone number listed on the web. You can do this on websites like Facebook, Yellow Pages, Yelp. Anywhere you can list that information is considered a citation source for your business. And the more citation sources you have, the more likely you are to be in this 3-pack. Another big ranking factor for being in here is actually where your business sits organically. So Chicago Renovation, you can see they're the top ranked spot, and they're right here in this 3-pack. So that plays a big weight in as if you're going to be in this 3-pack or not. So looking at Chicago Renovation and what they have going on, so this is their website. It looks really nice. Lots of pictures, not a lot of content. So definitely that 1,500 to 2,000 words of content, you guys would be beating them out no problem. Our goal is to beat our competition out in every way possible. So for targeting that 1,500 to 2,000 words, you definitely be doing that. Looking at the back end of their site, there's a couple things we look at here. So this is the back end of the site, and what this tells me is, so this is a site called Ahrefs. And the whole internet is built on backlinks, and it's one website linking itself to another website, one business linking itself to another business. So as you go out there and look for backlinks for your business, when you guys do get that website up, you really want to target ones that are relevant to the home remodel industry. So if you guys were to go out and get a backlink from a website for a home remodel company out of Oregon, where I'm based out of, that's going to carry a lot more weight and look a lot better for Google than if you guys were to get a backlink from your local Pizza Hut, because you guys aren't slinging pizzas. So you really want to get those relevant backlinks. So looking at your competition, they have 789 backlinks from 191 referring domains, but only 95 of those are do follow, which is actually really good. And what that means is it's just only 95 backlinks are actually giving them popularity votes, which actually help them with their rankings. But I mean, these guys are getting 1,600 people per month to their website looking for home renovation services in the Chicago area. So there's a lot of potential there for your business, whether that be you guys want to go the lead generation route like we talked about on the phone, or you guys are interested in possibly getting a website up and doing SEO for your business. Either way, you guys will be able to generate a lot of leads for your business and really help take it off and get it to that next level, that kind of the impression I got from you talking on the phone that you're really looking to get to. So again, first off would be content, making sure you get your website up, getting that content on there that's relevant to the services you guys are wanting to do, making sure you have the good key terms in there that'll help you guys rank. Next is going to be getting your guys' GMB built out and getting those citations pointed towards it to get you guys into this 3-pack. And then last is going to be backlinks and getting you guys linked and getting you guys built up to where you can move into this top spot and start claiming some of this traffic. If you have any other questions on this, definitely reach out. I look forward to talking to you on Monday. I again apologize for the delay in getting this over to you. It's just kind of been one of those weekends. Thank you very much.